Alright, so thanks for coming back to another one of our videos. Today I'll be doing the coil packs in my 2001 Jeep XJ, having a constant misfire, so I'm going to do spark plugs too. I decided to go with these TRQ. I'll show you right now. So they're TRQ coil packs. They're supposed to be performance coils, and it says enhanced windings, high voltage output, better throttle response, 15% more energy, and optimized fuel mileage. And there you have it again, just due to maintaining a constant voltage under load. So the reason I bought this over the stock was it was only $20 more for this one. I'll provide the link in the description for y'all as well. To take this off, it's just 13mm bolts. You're gonna take them all off. While doing that, I noticed I had a little bit of coolant splatter, and I found that. So I'll be replacing this hose too. Not in this video, but it's just important to get into your engine, your hood, and look around every now and then. No overheating, but that could get worse. It's obviously just pouring out a little bit to the heater hose. So all right, I got my 13mm 6" extension and 3/8 ratchet. I'm gonna go ahead and taking off all those bolts. All right, after you get these 4 bolts out, you're gonna want to go to the back here, and there's a little plug, as you can see right here. So you're gonna want to take that off too, and then once that's off, you can lift it up and maneuver around your hoses and your cables. All right, so I got it off. There's your little 4-pin plug and your connector right down there. It's just a little pinch tab pull connector. I used a little pair of pliers to help pull it out. Next, I'm going to take out my spark plugs with my spark plug socket. Alright, so I got the new one on. It was really straightforward. I plugged that connector in first, lined up all the plugs, all 6 of them, and then slide them over. You can see how it goes over. You can still see that washer of the spark plugs. So I didn't change the spark plugs because the spark plugs were brand new. They already had the V-Power NGKs on them, and they looked really good, but they were loose as could be. Like, I was able to break them free without even using the handle. It was already free with just the little spin part with the extension. So I'm sure that was part of my misfire. Every single one of them was loose. I had about 4 full turns before I felt any tension, and then I tightened them down. So I fixed that. New coil packs. I'm fixing to start it, make sure everything looks and sounds good and it's getting proper spark. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it helps you. I'll put in the description how it feels after driving. I'll put a comment after a few months and just give y'all an update. Make sure everything's still running good. That way I'm not spreading bad products. This is my first time using this brand and these coil packs, so I'll let y'all know. Thanks for watching.